Same comfy sneakers, pero ano nga ba pinagkaiba? Tara, pag-usapan natin yan. Once again, this is Lex, your sneaker specialist of collector finds. For the first one, this is the On Cloud 6 in white raspberry colorway. Unang tingin mukha siyang running shoes pero for walking siya. So dito, hindi mo na din kailangan isintas. And then sa back tab, merong ON logo here. And then sa tongue. And then kung ayaw mo ng lace na to, meron siyang extra lace for that. For replacement here. So that's for the On Cloud 6. For the next pair is the On Cloud Tilt in Sand Lavender colorway. So this pair is perfect for lifestyle. At makikita natin dito, hindi mo na siya kailangan isintas. Ayan. And then perfect to para sa pangporma. Makikita mo, ang ganda ng itsura niya. Very aesthetic talaga. Yan. So this is for the On Cloud Tilt. Now, for the difference, yung Cloud 6, meron siyang extra laces, pero sa Cloud Tilt, wala. Kung active ang lifestyle mo, nag-gym ka, nagra-running, I would suggest you get the Cloud 6. Pero kung pang-forma mo lang siya, pang daily errands, perfect tong Cloud Tilt kasi napaka-aesthetic ng itsura niyan. So, anong mas prefer mo? Is it the Cloud Tilt or the Cloud 6? Comment below.